Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. To your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Let us evaluate the determinant of a 6 by 6 matrix by pivotal element method. So here is the given 6 by 6 matrix. Let's reduce it to 4 by 4 because your calculator is capable of evaluating the determinant of a 4 by 4 matrix. So we have here 1 and 1, but I'll select this as the pivot element as shown here. So let's reduce the 6 by 6 matrix to 5 by 5. So it is 3 minus negative 2 times 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So the element here is 7. 4 minus quantity negative 2 times negative 5. 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Negative 1 minus negative 2 minus quantity negative 2 times 7 is negative 1 plus 14. So it is positive 13. 6 minus negative 2 times 8, 6 plus 16, 22. 4 minus 2 times minus negative 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4 is 8. Then here, negative 4 minus 3 times 2, negative 4 minus 6, negative 10. 7 minus 3 times negative 5 is 7 plus 15, so 22. 2 minus 3 times 7 is negative 19. 1 minus 3 times 8, 1 minus 24, negative 23. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 4 minus 6 times 2, 4 minus 12, negative 8. Negative 3 minus negative 30, negative 3 plus 30, 27. Negative 6 minus 6 times 7, negative 6 minus 42, negative 48. 3 minus 48, negative 45. 5 minus 12, negative 7. 8 minus 8 times 2, 8 minus 16, negative 8. 9 minus 8 times negative 5, 9 plus 40, 49. 2 minus 56, negative 54. 4 minus 64, negative 60. 3 minus 16, negative 13. 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6, negative 1. 2 plus 15, 17. 5 minus 21, negative 16. 6 minus 24, negative 18. And finally, 2 minus 6, negative 4. So we cannot find 1 here as pivot element, but we have negative 1 here. So let's factor out negative 1. So it is copy these elements, then this becomes 1, negative 17, 16, 18, 4. So 1, negative 17, 16, 18, 4. So let's make this the pivot element. We factored out negative 1. So let's reduce it to 4 by 4. So it becomes negative 6 minus 7 times negative 17. So negative 1 times 4 by 4. We have negative 6 minus 7 times negative 17 is 113. 13 minus 7 times 16 is negative 99. 22 minus 7 times 18, negative 104. 8 minus 7 times 4, 8 minus 28, negative 20. 22 minus negative 10 times negative 17. 22 minus 170 is negative 148. Negative 19 minus negative 10 times 16 is 141, negative 23 minus negative 10 times 18, 157, 0 minus negative 10 times 4, positive 40, 27 minus negative 8 times negative 17 is negative 109, negative 48 minus negative 8 times 16 is 80, negative 45 minus negative 8 times 18 is 99, negative 7 minus negative 8 times 4, negative 7 plus 32 is 25. Then 49 minus negative 8 times negative 17, negative 87. Negative 54 minus quantity negative 8 times 16 is 74. Negative 60 minus negative 8 times 18 is 84. Negative 13 minus negative 8 times 4 is negative 13 plus 32. That's 19. Since this is now 4 by 4, we can evaluate the determinant of this. So determinant of A is negative 1 times negative 33405. So therefore, the determinant of matrix A is positive 33,405. And that's it for this video and for this problem.